Open it.
from
That's
Auntie
Auntie Margie.
Open it. That's from Auntie Margie.
You see what's inside? Check inside. See what's inside, honey?
What's inside there?
Wow, what's inside a bag? Wow, pull it out, take it out, take it out.
Take it out.
Wow. You pick it up on the bag. Here, honey. What's inside the bag? Grab the bottom, baby. Grab the bottom, baby.
Hard to open?
You have to take it out, pull. It's all coming out here. It's stuck. It's stuck, baby.
That's it?
It's
Can
stuck.
I help you? There.
Wow.
TJ, I guess.
Paige, oh, you got one like theirs. It's a little one.
Uh-huh.
Wow, you could wear it. You should have wear it last night.
We didn't know.
Oh, baby, see? Wow, you
Say
should have
thank you,
wear.
Auntie Margie.
Is it?
Did you say thank you, Auntie Margie?
There's another one,
There's
honey.
another one. Can you say thank you, Auntie Margie?
You can say it right here.
Say to Daddy.
Huh? Say thank you to Marcy. And thank you, Megan. And thank you, Uncle Eloy.
Thank you, Ivan.
And Ivan.
It's in there. Can I see? From Mark. From Mark and Jane. Yeah, from Kuya Mark. What's in there? Here.
Yes, baby.
Here, oh.
Look, open your gifts, baby. Yeah, that's for Mark, yeah.
From Kuya Mark.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, that's a nice one.
Wow, a nice hat.
Thank you, Kuya.
Wow.
Did you say thank you, Kuya Mark?
Put it on your arm. Put it on.
Look, oh, look.
Wow.
Wanna try?
You got mittens and yeah. honey, look. Wow, Sam, nice hat. Yeah, wow. What's
That's
that?
from Auntie Annie. Mm-hmm. That's nice, oh. Oh, that's pretty. Dali. Oh, yeah, open.
Open.
What's in there? Oh, you got a butterfly.
Wow, look at that, honey.
Oh, no.
Oh, you a book, yeah.
again.
Wow, you like it?
Look, it's a dress.
Wow, it's a nice dress,
Isn't that
honey.
pretty?
That's nice, honey. Look at the
Mark.
dress. You see, thank you, Annie.
Say thank you, Auntie Annie. Uncle Chito, thank you.
Good. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You stuff. You need your pen.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Next, this is from Ninang Beng. Yeah, that's from Ninang Beng. Want me to help you? What's in there? Oh my goodness. Garbage. Oh, there's the card.
Wow.
Oh, open the card. I know you like a card. What's inside the card?
Can you read it for us loud? Oh.
Give me.
Can you read it?
Open the card.
Open. That's a. That's. Yeah.
That's the ornament.
Yeah.
Come on.
You have to read the card.
No, this way. There, this way, and then this way.
Open.
What's that?
Wow.
Say
See.
thank you, Ninang Beng.
Wow.
I happy money.
See, thank you, Nina.
Sit there, oh, say thank you, Ninang
Ta-da.
Beng.
See, thank you, Nina Bing. Wow, you got money.
Okay, what's in there?
Check
What's
inside the bag. Check inside first. Go inside the bag. What else? Yeah, I don't know. You tell me what's inside the bag.
I don't know.
Oh,
There you go.
wow,
Oh,
sweater.
nice again.
Nice sweater, honey. Wow, you got a money and a sweater. Which one do you want? Money and a sweater? Oh, we got two.
Oh, you got
Wow.
two. Say
We got-
thank you. Oh.
Wow.
The big size, that's good. What else?
Next, please. Next, please.
This one? That's for daddy. That's for daddy. Here. Hold up. I'll take this one here. Yeah, I check here, okay?
That's
Pagos family. That's for mommy and daddy. That's daddy. Give that to daddy.
yeah. This for Auntie Annie. Thank you, Auntie Annie. Daddy had to put it on.
Mommy. To Samara. Tita floor for mommy. Yes, you can open it. This from who? Auntie Nen. Oh wow, another Lego? Another black?
What you got?
Say thank you, Auntie Nen.
Wow. What else you got? You got money too?
Got
Or
block?
is that money from you too?
From Auntie Nen.
Wow. You got Auntie Annie money too. Wow. Tada! You're right. Like that, eh? Tada. Okay. We'll open that later, honey. Go next one.
Here. Here. Here's your old
Who's
card.
it from?
Here.
Who's it from?
I don't know. Check inside.
He's not. Check inside. Open. That's a nice teddy.
You want me to help you?
Wow.
Ta-da!
Money
Who gave you
again.
this? Uncle Amado.
Oh.
From Tita Flor. Say thank you, Tita Flor.
Yeah. You got Uncle Mado and Tita Flor say thank you.
Did you say thank you?
Yes. Yeah.
Tita Flor.
Yeah, and
that's for
Uncle
Ninang
Amado
Beng.
and Tita Flor. Yeah, say
This for
thank you
Ninang
guys.
Beng.
Say thank you
Okay,
guys.
Okay. Open now.
The next card, please.
Just leave it there, okay? You need help? This way. There. Open now. Yeah, that's for you. Open now.
Yeah, open the card. Who's it from? Whoa.
Samara!
What's that?
I got money. This is from who? Ninong Glenn.
Oh, you
Say
see.
thank you, Ninong Glenn.
Thank you. Wow.
Glenn.
Wow.
Wow, you got 4, yes.
You have to thank Nino and Glenn, eh? You have to give him a hug and kisses.
Here. That's from Mommy Pat.
Yeah, open it.
This one.
And Uncle Magnus.
Yeah.
No? Yeah, I got a nice card, eh, Sam?
That's it.
Yeah. No money?
You check what's inside.
Open. No money. Who's the
Don't see
picture?
money
Who's the-
again.
Yeah, look what's the picture. What do you mean no money,
Who's
honey?
that?
I know.
Well, you sleep
Mommy,
last
Pa,
night.
Uncle Magnus, you didn't see Santa last night.
Oh
What's that?
no! Open it.
Open. Wow. Yeah, you tell that,
Inside.
Mommy Pat.
Can you read?
Can you read? It says, Dear Samara. Yeah. And it says here, can I read it?
Oh.
It says,
Here, oh.
in his
Put in there.
gentle and joyfully
Open.
ways, Santa bring us together,
Mommy, open my card too.
dating a holiday. Love, Uncle Magnus,
Oh, I have money
Mommy
too,
Pat, and
Samara.
Fiona. Wow, you got lots here, card, honey.
From Auntie Nen and family.
There's another Santa. Who's he from? Open it.
this way. Wrong way, man.
Oh, another
What's
money.
that?
Money.
Who give you that?
Why all that?
Auntie Margie.
That Auntie. Oh my God, Santa Claus give you
Say
Auntie
thank you,
Margie.
Auntie Margie. This one from Auntie Nen.
Let me read that too. Open that one from Auntie Nen.
What is
Wow,
there?
another Santa. Oh,
What's in there?
one. Wow.
You have lots of money. Say thank you, Auntie Nen.
Wow.
You have lots of money? No, okay. Here, I don't know where it is. From Auntie Jordan, this one. You open, you help mommy. You can open.
Open the card, babe.
You have another gift there from Liz. That one.
Yeah, open the card first. Open the card first.
Yeah. Oh, you got money. This one. I think you give us the 2 cards. See?
I know.
You gave us 2 cards.
Where?
Yeah. Look, I didn't give you
Another card. I didn't give you more money, honey.
Oh no.
Open the card first. Take a look at the
Open
card.
the card. What's inside the card?
Wow, you gotta double thank Auntie Nin.
What's in there?
Wow, what's that?
Nice, Samara.
Oh,
Is that
nice.
pretty? There's your another pajama for you.
Open the card there.
There's a card, oh. Say thank you, Liz.
Open the card. That's for Auntie Nin. Oh, what you got there? Yeah,
What's inside there?
money.
Money's there.
Right here. Yeah, see, thank you, Auntie Nin. Yeah, that's Santa. You missed Santa. You slept. Yeah, that's from Auntie Nin. Say thank you, Auntie Nin. Wow.
Okay, give me the card na. Oh, go get your card there, oh, kay Daddy. Did Daddy give you money? Oh, look! Look, from Auntie Margie. That's from Auntie Margie. You got a money?
Yeah, we put it on the. I didn't put no money in it.
Did you? Huh?
No, I just put that. I put some stuff so we open it.
Huh? Okay, we get all your money here, okay? Huh? Yeah.
Give me
You-
some of this paper so she can see it. Give me some of this. I could put it so you could see it. What do you think in your...
Oh, okay. That's from who? For Daddy. That's from Uncle Magnus. That's for Daddy. Yeah, that's for Daddy. Yeah. Nice, Samara. Oh, Auntie. Sarah, that's for Daddy. Give it to Daddy.
Nice.
Daddy, oh.
Wow, thank you, Sam.
You helping Mommy and Daddy? Can you open this?
Thank you, Uncle Magnus.
It's for you. Let's open that. Okay. That's from the Berkovich. Okay, can you move a bit here?
Sam, over here, Sam.
There. Bless you, anak. It's from Dawn. Whoa! Is that nice?
It's a nice blanket.
Nice
It's a nice
blanket.
blanket.
Let's open this.
Yeah, we have blanket.
Okay, look, we open it. Who's that from?
Open.
There's the card, baby.
Daddy. Oh, nice blanket.
Yeah, that's from me, honey.
That's
From
from
daddy,
Daddy.
to you.
Thank you, Don. Mommy has new blanket again. Right?
Open the card. See what? Look, baby.
What's inside the card?
Okay,
Does Daddy give you?
You read the card.
Read the card. Did
Wow.
you say thank you to Daddy?
You welcome,
Can you
sweetheart.
give it a hug? Hurry up. Go give a hug. Say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, sweetie.
It's for you.
That's yes from me. Yes for you. Yeah, honey.
Okay, can I have it? Give me the card. Give it. You didn't read?
Okay,
You read it, honey.
It's nice, oh. Huh?
What?
You read it?
Mommy,
Oh, someone's on the phone, honey.
Oh no, Daddy is in trouble.
Oh, Sue.
okay.
Let me open.
Merry Christmas. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas.
So, Tita Bon.
Yeah. Yeah, we just got up too much. How was your night? No. How was your night?
Whoa.
No.
This
Oh,
is from
no.
Tita Bon.
No,
for
actually,
Mommy.
just Tamara woke everybody up because she wants to open her gifts.
Mhm.
And
Ah.
no, because we left at last night around 2-3 o'clock this evening.
Ay, nako.
No, we got home around 2. And they're still there, Max and them are still there, so we got it because Samara was so fun because she was dancing all that
What is
last night.
this?
And Agnes came out with the, Santa and all
Oh,
that stuff.
Tita,
She was
give me
looking
a
forward to see Santa, and
map.
guess what happened? She passed out.
See?
Aha.
That's for Mommy. Thank you,
Ah.
Yvonne.
Yeah, I think she wants running around and
Oh,
dancing. right?
nice.
She's like, you know what I mean? So she all dressed up and she had like, like the Santa dress on and all that stuff. Yeah, and she was looking forward to it. By the time we got done,
That's it?
she was looking
Oh, you have cards
at
here.
like this and the girl
From
came down
Tito
for Santa
Rian.
soup, whatever.
Hold on.
She's blacked out.
Here. From Tito Rian and Tita Che.
She didn't really.
Yeah.
Oh, last night, because we had this little, the fashion show and stuff like that, so we would carry on and dancing
For you
everybody.
from work.
And it got worse because you started laughing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because they're playing, playing Family Feud and all that stuff, right? Yeah, so, yeah, that was funny. Right, so of course, Margie's family won the Family Feud. Yeah, because we're against, and I think against, Flora or men's family. So the Family Feud game.
What's inside there? Oh, no.
They're playing
Okay, what's
against each
inside?
other. Fiona had he's the host. Fiona was, right? So don't call me. Yeah, that was funny.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, what's inside?
And then,
Thank you,
and,
Tito Rian.
and the fashion show, of course, Ivan won it. Because
Okay.
Mr.
What's
Ed.
inside? What's inside? What's inside?
And I was Miss
Did you check
Canada.
what's inside?
And